Welcome back, FGT community. In this check ride, we'll bring you part 2 of the 777 Heavies of LAX. This check ride, it's all about the cargo 777s. All video was taken on December 3rd, 2023. Just a heads up, our next live stream from SFO will be April 13th, 2024, where Condor will be back at SFO.
Make sure all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away before we take off.
Sounds like we got our permission to take off. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened, sit back, and enjoy the cargo 777s from LAX.
Subscribe now.
Please make sure that all seats are in the upright position and trays are put away.
Well, on that note, it's time for us to stow away our electronics. Don't forget to check out our Instagram at AVGeek Tours for daily photos, as well as our website avgeektours.com to see our upcoming trips. The links are in the description below. Join us again next time as we continue our journey. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy spotting.